Hi YouTube people. I decided to do this in black and white because I did not look very good. It's been a long day and I don't have any makeup on and I'm having very negative body image today. This past week I've been in Florida. We went to Disney World and to the beach. I tried to have a good time, I really did. But my depression and anxiety just didn't help at all. I'm glad that I'm home. It's been an interesting couple of weeks. I relapsed with self-harm about 3 weeks ago and ended up with 4 stitches. Sorry, this is triggering to anybody. And I haven't been skipping anything, but this past week I was doing a bare minimum, and I was walking around a lot because I was in Disney World and you have to walk around to do stuff, so we'll see what happens when I see my dietitian on Tuesday. I got a freaking cold while we were on vacation. Wednesday, it was Wednesday, so today's Saturday. I've had a cold since Wednesday. I got home this morning at about 10 o'clock. Our flight left Florida at 7 o'clock, which is 5 o'clock my time. So it's been kind of a long day, not traveling because we got home earlier this morning, but just with unpacking and all that. It's been a long day and we had to get up at 4:30 this morning, which should be 2:30 my time. So I am tired. I'm ready for bed, but it's only 6:50 right now. It's not a while before it's bedtime. I'm gonna have a lot to talk to the therapist about next week, as well as my dietitian. Body image hasn't been great. My mood has just been out of whack. I'm just not doing very good. My last video I was like, I'm so great, I'm awesome, everything's going well. And now it's like, the guy I was dating, jerk, he basically told me he didn't want it. Well, okay, I broke up with him because I felt like the relationship wasn't going anywhere. Like, we weren't exclusive, like, we weren't boyfriend, girlfriend, and we've been going out for 2 months, but we weren't boyfriend, girlfriend. I don't know. It was really weird. I don't even know what we were. It was like he was just there. I was there just because I was easy, and I didn't like that. So, I'm fine that I broke up with him, but then he retaliated and said that he didn't really want to deal with all of my issues anyway, and that I don't communicate at all, and just a lot of hurtful things. So that was hard, and I think that's what led to some of my relapse. So I'm not dating anyone right now, and I'm really not even interested at all. Yeah, this week we went to Disney World. It rained one day. We went for 4 days. We went to the beach. Thursday or Wednesday we went to the beach, and Sunday we just walked around the beach. So we went to 2 different beaches. We went to one on the Atlantic side of Florida, another one, and one on the Gulf of Mexico side. So we went to 2 different beaches. So that was fun. I got burned, which technically is self-harm, but I didn't do it on purpose, so that's a good thing. Excuse me. I did put sunscreen on, but I still ended up being burned. The tops of my ears are all burned, and my shoulders, and here in my back, and my legs are burned from the beach. Yeah. So this is not a very happy update. Pretty somber, because that's exactly how I'm feeling it. So I hope you guys are doing well, and please continue to watch my videos. I'll try to make more of them. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.